Yesterday was such a tiring day of traveling. They provide bikes where you can actually ride down to the locations, but they're about 200 to 800 meters away. Day 2. Red eyes are never fun. Good morning, friends and family. How are you guys doing today? I'm gonna take advantage of the breakfast they got here at Floor E Bamboo, which in English means flower and bamboo. It's such a eco-friendly place. You get this beautiful nature, but then you also get the mosquitoes, the ants, and all the bugs that come with it. You know how it is. If you want to come to Floor E Bamboo, just know after speaking with Sophie that most people rent cars, and I can see why. There's 2 local convenient supermarkets here. There's one 200 meters down the open road on the left side, and then there's one 800 meters on the right side. So it all depends. They do provide bikes, so you don't have to walk, but knowing what I know now, definitely would rent a motorbike or a car next time I come. Such a simple life here. Just have breakfast, eggs, 2 bacons, and 2 pieces of plantains paired with a tamarindo drink. Simple. Now I'm gonna try to find a taxi to get into the city, because Tamarindo is a pretty big city, and we're in the Playa Grande side, and the place I want to go to where all the shops and where all the shopping center area is about 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna try to get a hold of a taxi so we can head down there. It's getting kind of humid. I think what I'm gonna do is jump in the pool real quick before I head to the city center area, because it's getting too hot. Every second I'm here, it makes it harder and harder to want to go back to LA. It feels so good to just be away from the city and all the city noises. Every now and then, maybe every then and now, we need this in our life, man. Just the quietness, the sound of nature. It just does something to the body, you know what I mean? And the mind and the spirit. I love it. I love it. I don't even want to go back home.